Hello everybody, it's Genty and PugFan20 and I'm excited to open up my RWS Plarail Thomas and his 80th anniversary set. After waiting about 3 weeks, it's finally here. And I got it as a graduation gift, as I have officially graduated college. So I'll be right back with them opened up. Alright, now that the box is open, now as you may know, I'm going to keep the box, because it looks very nice and valuable. Now let's get reviewing, shall we? So, here's Thomas himself. And you gotta admit, they've done such a great job on it. And, you know, in my opinion, they should have added a back lamp sticker to him, like they did in the TV series. And I feel like someone used paper for the side stickers, too. But overall, still a great item. Definitely recommendable. And the face, it feels like the Railway series. Because I knew Plarail would make this someday, and now we have one. So I'm going to give this RWS Thomas a 9 out of 10. But in my opinion, they should have made the lamp irons black. And the cylinder things between it. I don't know what those things are. The things between the lamp and the lamp irons. Let me know in the comments below what they are. And now, Annie and Clarabelle. Well, they just did the same. Well, the face is a sticker, like I mentioned earlier. And there are these stripes they have. And their nameplates are not featured because it was the Railway series. So I'm going to give Annie and Clarabelle a 7 out of 10. Well, I'm going to put a battery in and then I'll give them a test run. Alright, so I put a battery in the motor and we're going to test it. Yep, it works beautifully. Now let's take it out for a spin, shall we? Alright, let's go, shall we? 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, now we're going to do it the opposite way. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. All right. Test run was a success, despite this bumpy track here. All right, and here it is, the 80th anniversary Plarail Thomas & Friends set, which comes with a metallic Thomas, a cake car, a pineapple tanker, an 80th anniversary Harold with sunglasses, and a pink brake van. Now let's get reviewing. Wow. You gotta admit, they done such a great job. And they did add a lamp, but I'll make an exception. You could tell that they've done such a great job. I mean, those stars and moon feels like an actual party. And I'm actually glad they gave the iron lamps paint and those things between the lamp and the lap irons. It's black paint too. Very, very nice and well done. So anyway, right, the cake car. Very, very awesome. You know, once you move the cake cart, the cake goes up and down and it spins. And I love how they gave it traction tires. Yep. There's a cake with Thomas on it saying 1945. 80th anniversary. Yep, the 80th anniversary of the Railway series. Oh, yeah. And it comes... Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention about the two cards with Thomas and Harold on them. Very unique. But that's not important right now. Oh, yeah, I'm also keeping the box because it's very valuable. So anyway, I'll put the cake car here. Up next, we have the tanker. A pineapple juice tanker. I love the wheels on this one. Very, very well done. I mean, you usually don't see Plarail tankers that have blue wheels, but there's a first time for everything. Very, very well done. And we have Harold. Yep. Looking good. With those sunglasses, 80th, and music notes and stars. Wow. You know, I could dream of having this for the 90th. Oh, sorry about that. Well, please excuse me. I mean, this is Harold, but for an anniversary. Wow. So anyway, love this model. So, I'll have it join the others. And last but not least, the brake van. I love the colors they put on it. Glinda and Elphaba from Wicked. And there's Thomas, Percy, James, and Toby. But their names are written in English. And the roof is blue with musical notes and a trumpet. And the blue wheels, wow. Very, very well done. Now just couple up. All right. Now anyway, I get to do a test run. Real quick, I'm going to couple up everyone and put a battery inside Thomas. All right, I'm going to test the motor real quick. Wow, it runs very nicely. Now anyway, time for the fun part. All right, let's get started, shall we? 3, 2, 1, go! All right, let's do this! This is so much fun. Look at that cake spin and go up and down. All right. And stop. All right, now we're going to run the opposite way. 3, 2, 1, go. This is definitely one of my favorite sets, alongside the RWS Thomas and the Stamp Plarail Store Thomas and the Jet Engine, alongside Plarail Edward and Plarail Oliver. And let's not forget a Plarail favorite, Plarail Powerful Gordon and the Snow Set Donald and Douglas, which are super expensive. If you want one, then I recommend putting it on your Christmas list, despite it being May. All right, almost there. And stop. I give this set a 10 out of 10. And in conclusion, these are the best Plarail items I have ever gotten, in my opinion. And if you ever do buy this set, both sets, believe me, take my word for it, you won't regret it. Well, while I continue to enjoy these beautiful masterpieces I got, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Happy 80th anniversary to the Railway series, and I hope to see you all soon. Goodbye!